Alright, good evening gentlemen. This is Abdul Basit Ali and I will be teaching you financial modeling. This is my second video on lease rental model, and if you haven't watched my first video, I suggest you that you go and watch my first video. So I'll be continuing from where I left. And okay, so our revenue had been completed in the previous video. As you can see, we calculated the rental revenue of our three buildings, and now what we're going to do is basically it's a very simple model. So basically what we are going to do is calculate our management expenses management, management expenses. Okay, so let's dive in. And okay, so there is data over here, so all we need to do is just delete it. Okay, control minus, and it has all been deleted. We can also delete it. Okay, so let's just call it administrative expenses. Let's just call it administrative expenses. Management expenses, ADMINIST. Got it. Administrative expenses. Alright, so okay, let's correct it true over here. Let's go with 1. And over here too. Okay, so let's delete it over here, and let's just take a simple assumption. Let's just say that our total administrative expenses is going to be like 15% of the revenue. Okay, so percentage of revenue, just put percentage sign and just say 15%. So admin expenses, our total admin expenses going to, we need to link it up PKR, and let's just say to this into this. Let's just anchor it over here and press F4 to anchor it. Put absolute fractions over here and control right. Okay, so this is our administrative expenses. And okay, fine, let's just copy it over here and administrative expenses, and okay, so and let's go to income statement and expenses, link it up over here, and voila. Alright, so let's go back to the assumptions tab and let's go to the balance sheet item. Okay, so we're going to be purchasing our land, and let's see our assumptions for it. Land purchase at Islamabad. Okay, so here are, let's just delete it so that there is a formula over here that I have used, but I will not be explaining it since it's gonna become a little complex, so we're gonna calculate it manually. Okay, so number installment, these are 4, area 2, that 2 acres area, and cost per acre is 80 lakh, and cost of land going to be 1 crore 60 lakh, and down payment is going to be, let's just say it's gonna be 15%. Okay, so let's just calculate the down payment, link it up over here, and okay, installment. So what we're gonna do is calculate the installment. So for that we need to bracket over here, and this total cost of land minus down payment divided by this 4. Okay, so let's just put an absolute reference over here to 4 and 4, 340,000. Let's just check, is the sum total to 1? As you can see over here, the sum of all this is equal to 1 crore 60 lakhs, so it is right. Over here we have calculated our land. Let's just shift down. Alright, so there is that over here too. So what we're gonna do is grab it over here and till here, and press Ctrl minus to delete the rows, and this is our relevant head. So lease building. So we have built 3 buildings. Let's go with this building 1, and total number of floors this and this is. Okay, we need to validate this information from our revenue stream. Let's just go over here and open the lease rentals revenue and just fill it from over there. So number of lease building 1, number of floors equal to 5, and let's just say number of floors is equal to, let's just link it up over here and move forward, move across, and number of floors equal to 5, and area plus 4, I think that was equal to 10,000, but let's just connect from there. Let's just connect it from over there. So it's equal to 10,000. Okay, so it just is same over there, and cost per square foot is equal to 3,000. So it's just a very simple assumption. And what is the cost? Let's just delete this, and it's going to be 150,000. In fact, let's just put it, just delete it and put it over here. Building 1, and it's going to be completed in year 1. So let's just put more buildings, 1, 2, 3, 4. Let's put more rows over here. Alright, Control C, Control V, and Control V. So let's just delete these references over here, and we're gonna renew them. Let's just change its color and change its color to pink and then green. Okay, this is our building 2 and this is our building 3. Total number of floors in the second building. Let's just copy it from our revenue and building 2. Okay, so total number of floors is going to be 10. Area per floor is going to be 10,000. Let's just put a formula over here. It's going to be 1,000. Okay, cost perfect. So our second building was, as you remember, it was an economical unit. So let's just say it's going to be 2,500 per square foot. Okay, so this over here is our cost, and what is simply we just multiply the total area by cost per square foot, and this is our total cost that we're going to capitalize. Let's just say building 2 over here, and just put a link over here. Alright, total floor 3. Okay, so this, as you remember, this was our luxury building. So let's put the links. Let's go up and put the link over here. Number of floors, 2 floors. Area per floor was 10,000. Let's just put a formula over here, and okay, this is going to be our luxury building, so let's just put 5,000. Okay, building 3, building 3. Alright, so our building section is done, and I will be continuing our model and linking up the financial statements and the revenue in the third video, sorry. So let's just finish our video over, and I will see you in the next video.